my topic is to give orientation about business model canvas because tomorrow you will be presenting your own innovative business idea. Of course, there should be an output in every seminars. Okay, now, thank you. Thank you, Sir Glenn. Okay, so there are 9 building blocks of business model canvas. Okay, next slide. So these are the 9 business model canvas. First is K partners, second is K activities, K resources, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, channels, cost structure, and revenue stream. So these are the 9 building blocks that you're gonna create tomorrow. You're allowed to take pictures because tomorrow you're gonna present your own idea. Alright, now next slide. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a sample. This is a sample of business model canvas presented by Sir Floyd, Sir Glenn, and also Sir Jerving. So this is about construction. So first and foremost, when we're gonna create a business model canvas, it should be a solution to a certain problem. Ibig sabihin, when we're gonna create a business, dapat merong problema muna bago ka nagkagawa ng business model canvas. So yan yung tatandaan natin. Okay, first is K partnership. So of course, when K partnership arrive, these are your future partnership or your supplier. Example, external companies or individual who will help you operate. So if you're gonna create a food business industry, the supplier for eggs, flours, chocolate, and the delivery partner